Hey, it's our Locksmith here. Okay, we're gonna do a quick video on bagging a door while we're gonna use this long reach, well, button grab on this Ford. So with that being said, this door is locked. I'm using the one-handed wedge. The airbag, go ahead and put in. Make sure your nozzle's down. Take your tool out. And just open it enough where you can get the tool to slide in. On the Ford trucks, this is not my preferred method of opening it, but get it in. There you go. Before you open the door, go ahead and release the bag pressure. That way you make sure it still sits flush.